Okay guys, I finally finished it. The last level is actually quite simple. It's just the previous level, but we make some changes to the counter and also we add in the conditional component. I basically just added this portion here and I routed the registers back to the conditional component and also the counter. So as when the condition is met, when register 3 is equal to some condition, then the counter will be set to register 0. So not much work here, but yeah, Turing complete. Uh, it's been like 3 or 4 days. It is very very interesting and like challenging, but not too hard. Yeah, let's see it run. As you can see, well, you cannot see, but it is actually changing the PC counter as it is running. For example, here, notice how it skips 64 and jumps right to 10. That's the counter overwriting it going to work. Now, basically, with this structure, we can calculate anything because we already have control statements and flow control and immediate values, everything that we need to write any program basically.